Hey everyone, welcome to Lucky Tech Life, where we equip people how to use and learn their device in everyday life. In front of me, I have my amazing Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, and in today's video, I want to show you how to use a pop-up view function on your Samsung device. And I know that most of us don't even know how to use the pop-up feature. And you don't even know what it is. So I want to show you, I want to teach you, and I want to guide you through the necessary steps because this feature is so cool. And before I get right into it, I want you to make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, hit that like button, hit that bell button so you are not missing out on any new videos that come up in the future. But without further ado, let's jump right in and set up the pop-up functionality on your phone. The first thing that we gotta do here is we have to, let's say, go into an application that we want to pop up. And mainly what I see is we use the navigation, right? Let's go into our Google, go into our maps, that's our navigation functionality, or we can go into, let's say, Amazon, and so you want Amazon as a pop-up feature on your phone. Well, I'll show you something here. Let's say if you go into Amazon and you hit the little application icon there, and you want to use open in pop-up view. It has a floating screen and you can drag it anywhere you like, all the way in the top corner, all the way in the bottom here, so you can hide the window. It acts like an actual computer on your phone, and you can minimize this as well, up top, bottom. And let's say if you want to customize, if you want to make it bigger, right? If you want to make it bigger, you can do the expand option. And if you want to go back, go to open pop-up view. It goes back to the same originality function. And you can do exit out, you can minimize it where it goes right into the application icon, or you can just hit the little blue bar here twice and it will go into the application icon, or you can make it transparent. What I did was this little transparency button, I just swiped left, swipe right, so then it's either transparent or it is bolded. And you can change how the window wants to work, because you can actually lock this window here or change it however you like. And that's it. That is how you use the pop-up window functionality for your Samsung phone. I hope you enjoyed this video because it's something so cool. It's a tip that nobody really knows, and I believe that a lot of people will start to use this when they know it. So utilize it, understand it, and I hope you use the heck out of your phone because this is a part of our everyday lives, and I'm here to teach you how to use it in your everyday life. But make sure to hit that subscribe button, make sure to hit that bell button and like button, and if you have anybody that could see this, that they would use this in their everyday life, feel free to share it to somebody that you know. But until next time, I will see you in the next video. Peace.